Guys, today I'm going to be showing you Moshi Monsters. It's a game I've been playing when I was littler, not 11 years old. So I'm really excited to start playing, so let's start. I'm going to log in. Just so you know, I'm a Moshi member, and I'll show you the link in the description, or you can just look right here. So when you first get into the load-on screen, you can play with this little bouncy ball here. It's a Moshling called Iggy. Turn. So I chose to be a Katsuma. So I'm going to go play some games. Where is it? Here it is, puzzles. If you go here, you can make your Moshi happy. Oh yeah, just so you know that I'm a Moshi member. When you sign up for Moshi Monsters, you can click View Profile to see if you're a Moshi member. It'll say right here if you're a Moshi member. I'm gonna do a daily challenge. Hmm. Let's see. Yep. 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 Yeah. Hey, it has to be A. 7, 6. Oh. See, and I just got a lot of XP. Yeah, plus Moshi members. Did you Moshi members get double rocks and XP? And then here are the hall puzzles. Ah. Yeah, I'm gonna go home now. I'll be right back, guys. Don't don't miss the live stream happening tonight because I'm going to be playing as a teacher. I'm really excited. So as a Moshi member, you can get more than one floor. I've already gotten 2. Now I have to wait 3 hours because I was planting this morning. Then you can go to the TV. There's Super Moshis, which you can do the first episode for free. And I'm going to show you Moshlings in. When you collect Moshlings from places or the Super Moshis, you can see them in your Moshlings too. See, like this one. And did you know you can see your friend's tree? Yeah, these are all my friends who are in real life my friends. They created their Moshi membership and I was able to give them. My mom was so nice to give them Moshi membership. And you can see your BFF news. This only happens when you have a BFF. Then all I see is little goth baby. Ah! Can I see something else? Oh, gosh. Here's stuff you can see. You can see the factory, the art challenge, and the prize quest. There's lots more to do. Design a moshling. Oh, I've never heard of design a moshling. That's because I've never seen this part. Let's go. Yeah, you guys want to design a moshling? Oh. missed it. I missed it. No! Oh yeah, here you can buy membership with this button. And you'll click continue. Yeah, you might not want to get that. And you can, if you're from the United Kingdom, you can change wherever you're from. From Australia, you can get stuff from here. From Europe, you can get it from here. If you're from the United Kingdom, you can get it here. And I'm in the United States. I live in Georgia. You can get it here. It might get more. So since this is Mighty Monsters, I'll be doing a giveaway. I will be choosing a new best friend. Whoever becomes my best friends gets a giveaway, a special giveaway I'm giving through a website I created. Well, not I created. Someone created it, and I'm giving giveaways. So I'm sponsored. It's sponsored by Moshi Monsters Play. Yeah, I can't show it right now because that's what the giveaway is. So I'll be giving away free codes, and how you can redeem them is through here. I'll also be giving free giveaways through my live streams at the end of the live streams. If you say giveaway me, I'll choose one of you to give the code to. Oh yeah, you can also watch TV. Moshi Monsters is basically like Roblox, but not Roblox. Even though Moshi Monsters isn't Roblox and my channel is called Roblox, it does not mean anything. Only members can watch TV. But for some computers like mine, the TV doesn't work. See? Ugh. Then you could submit videos through this. But it presents what? So here's all the places. Over here is the port. You can only go to the port if you are a Moshi member. If you're not, sorry for you. I don't care. Go ask your parents to become a Moshi member. Then you can go here to Sledge Street. It's Moshi Monster City. This is where I usually go grocery shopping. Where we're gonna go now. I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. And I'm going to show you something. So, as you know, when I said I wanted to design a mosh, the contest was over. So, if you go to the Daily Growl, you'll see daily stuff. Right here is from a Moshi Monsters Super Moshi mission. If you click him, he'll be scared. He'll drop a sandwich. Oh yeah, they're already bringing Christmas stuff in. It's great. Then right here is the port. Do y'all want me to prove? I'm sorry, but then this is also going to be a series. So we'll save the port for next time. I'm sorry. And here's the newest Moshi members. It's what it means basically. Become a Moshi member now. And I'm sponsoring Moshi Monsters. This video was actually sponsored by Moshi Monsters. And I want you to become a Moshi member now. Or at least to sign up. The first person to in my live stream to say this will also be given free stuff, whatever. Then I'm going to invite, if you click invite friends, I've never said this before, but invite your friends to Moshi Monsters and you'll get 150 bucks for everyone that signs up. What I want you to do is in my live stream, if you say SM wait, if you say sign up, I signed up for Moshi Monsters, you'll you can I'll put in you also need to tell me your email address, so I'll put it in and you'll be entered for the giveaway. I'm really excited because it's my first giveaway. Well, that's probably all you need to know about Moshi Monsters. The next episode will be gameplay. The next episode will probably be today or tonight. Well, not tonight because I gotta set up for the night school episode. But thank you guys for watching. The link in the description is, or you can just stop. The link in the description is for Moshi Monsters, and you'll be able to sign up. Yes.